If you are living in a rental house or a rental home, that it is mandatory to create rental agreement. If we talk about rental agreement, that what is a rental agreement? Simply you can say it, rental agreement is a bond between the owner and the tenant where all conditions related to your room rent charge, your electricity bill and everything all included here. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can design a rental agreement without hiring any advocate, any extra charge. Before starting video, if you are a new visitor, new viewer in this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and like, subscribe this video, enable notification by clicking notification bell icon so you will never miss any latest update. So let's start. There is a link given in the video description part. Whenever you will click on that link, one file will be downloaded in front of you. Meanwhile, you will open that file. One Word file will be open in front of you. This is a format of rental agreement. I have designed this rental agreement format. You can easily download this rental agreement from the video description part. Here you will write this rental agreement is made and executed on this first day of 2019. You can write here your date according to yourself. When you will make this rent agreement, when you will sign this agreement, that day you will write here. After this you will write here by and between. First you will write here owner name and owner address, owner occupation, owner age. For example, I have written here Sri Ankit Misra, son of Onkar Misra, aged about 26 years, occupation MBA, residing at Tamarkar Mohalla, ward number 6, Vijayawada district, Katni, MP. That means Ankit Misra, son of Onkar Misra, the age of Ankit Misra is 26 years and the occupation of Ankit Misra MBA, who is living inside Tamarkar Mohalla, ward number 6, Vijayawada. Here after you will write here some condition like this. Hereinafter to be called as owner of the first part, which expression shall, unless it is repugnant the meaning and context thereof, means and included his here executor, administrator, successor in the title and sign. After this you will write second party, that means tenant name, tenant father name, tenant age and tenant residential address. For example, I have written here Sri Kamlesh Kumar Patel, son of Bharat Lal Patel, about 35 years, authorized representative and current area manager of Katni, MP, of Sri Microfin Limited, a company incorporated under the Company Act 1956 and having its registered office at 1st 224/58 Rajiv Nagar, Nacharam, Hyderabad 500076. That means Mr. Kamlesh Kumar Patel is a area manager of the Sri Microfin Limited company that is registered under the 1956 Incorporated Companies Act, and the office of this company is situated in the Hyderabad, Nacharam, Rajiv Nagar. After this you will write here some condition. Hereinafter referred to as tenant of the second part, which expression shall, unless repugnant to the context, would mean and included its successor, executor, sign, administrator, nominee and its affiliate associate. After this you will write here whereas the owner and possessor of the premises 3 room 1 kitchen 1 bathroom. Here you will write according to your flexibility 1 BHK, 2 BHK, whatever the size of your room you can mention here. Situated at the Tamarkar Mohalla, ward number 6, Vijayawada. Address of the house you will mention here at measuring square feet, which in hereinafter referred to as the premises. After this you will write here as the tenant has requested to owner to let out above premises and owner has accepted to let out the premises on the term and conditions set forth herein by rent agreement. After this you will write here all conditions. Whatever condition of your rent agreement have, that all condition you will mention here. I have mentioned some of condition here. You can easily write like this condition and easily replace whatever condition you want to mention here. You can easily mention. First, that is the tenancy portion of the said premises shall be as above, like that here you have mentioned. After this you will write here that the tenancy will be concerned 1/3/2019 and shall remain the force for the period of 11 monthly rent 5250 shall be payable day of 7-day English calendar month. Means of that point, you have signed this rent agreement at the date of 1st 3 2009, 1 March 2009. You can replace here your date according to yourself. When you sign this rent agreement, you will mention here that day. As you know that all unregistered agreement period having 11 month, then 5225, here is the charge of this room per monthly. You should have to bear this charge to the owner, and the last day of paying charges 7 day of the month according to English calendar. Third, you will write here that the tenant has paid RS whatever advance money you are going to pay to your owner, that you will mention here. Way of crossed check payable to toward rent deposit, this will be returned in fully at the time of termination of tenancy, will be carried to no interest. That means whatever money you will pay deposit amount as a security amount, all money you will get at the time of your termination. When you will leave this house, you leave this home, you will get your security money, your deposit money without any interest. Fourth number, you will mention here that the tenant shall make payment of charge toward electricity in the timely manner without defaulting on the delaying the payment of such charges. That means you have to pay all your electricity charge, whatever electricity you will spend, that charge you should have to pay. Fifth point, you should write here that the tenant shall maintain the above mentioned office premises in clean hygienic condition without causing any damage to the shared premises. That means you will never damage any part of this house, and you should have to make this house clean and hygienic. Then all these points you will mention in your rent agreement. After the rent agreement, you will write at the last point owner and tenant. Here you will sign owner signature, and here tenant signature will be mentioned here. After this, if you want to mention any witness, then you can easily mention here name and the signature of the witness. After prepared this rent agreement, you will print this rent agreement in the 100 rupees stamp paper, and you will notarize this stamp paper to the authorized notary officer. After notarization, the rent agreement has been completely designed, and this is valid up to 11 months. According to your choice, you can extend this rent agreement after 11-month completion. So friends, in this video you know that how to design a rent agreement. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Okay, thanks for watching.